Hi and welcome. Today's video is dedicated to all the fashionistas. Today we are going to see is nofashionstyle.com is legit or not. So this is the homepage of No Fashion Style and they are dealing with dresses, jumpsuits, two pieces, coats, tops, bottoms, swimwear, plus size accessories, etc. etc. Guys, this website is founded in 2005 and No Fashion Styles already serving to North America, USA, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Australia, Japan, South America, etc. So No Fashion Style is having a corporate office as well, and if you will visit their website you will see the warehouse pictures and their team and almost everything you would like to know about. And these are the various designer pieces, casuals, formals, shorts, minis in quite a reasonable range. And their office address is A507 Building 7, Baotian Industrial Zone. It's basically based in China. And their official website is www.nofashionstyle.com, and you have their service team also along with their WhatsApp number and email ID. Her name is Davina, Kali, Bella, Fiona, Sandy, and they also have a blogger program. The blogger program is if you want fashion clothing for free, so you can join them. You just have to send your email at Leonor @nofashionstyle.com or Monica MONICA. We used to say in Friends that Monica @nofashionstyle.com, and you can introduce yourself and the link to your social media channel or blog. So they'll reply you. You can work for them as a blogger also. If you have any question or uncertainty, you have a special support manager to serve you. That is, I have already told Leonor and Monica. You can email them and ask as much queries or questions you have in your mind. And you can place your orders. See, you can visit the No Fashion Style homepage. Then step 2 is, when you find an item that interests you, click on the product to see its product details page. Choose the color, size and quantity you want and add to cart. Then step 3 is, when you are ready to complete your purchase, select checkout from your shipping cart. Step 4 would be, all the items will be shown when you click shopping cart. After you confirm the product information, you can directly click pay with PayPal to pay it. If you want to use other payment methods, bank, Western Union, credit card, MoneyGram, please click proceed to checkout. Then step 5 is login or register. If you already have a known Fashion Style account, you can log in directly. And then boom, you are finished. See, no, there are another steps, of course. After creating an account or already registered, then you have to fill all the required information, then click submit, confirm and submit your order. And once you place your order, they will send you a confirmation email message. So they are dealing in various cards and payment methods, and you will also have some find in store credit and use it. So you may have credit points in their website www.nofashionstyle.com. The credit points can be used when making order on their website. 100 credit points means $1. So there they will show you where you can find your credit cards in their website. The next is about their shipping methods. So they ship all over the world. You can just buy and enjoy their great service. They ship direct to your door. Their handling time is 4 to 10 business days after your payment has been processed. There will be a tracking number, if applicable, will be provided to you after that. Then they have flat rate shipping, takes about 7 to 25 business days. For USA, Canada, Australia customers, it takes about 7 to 14 business days. For UK, France, Germany, Italy, Spain and most other Europe countries, it may take 7 to 25 business days. For customers in South America, it may take 15 to 30 business days, and for other countries, it may take 15 to 25 business days. So for standard rate shipping, it usually takes 6 to 10 business days. And for expedited rate shipping, they ship by DHL, FedEx or other expedited. Okay. Please correct me if I'm not spelling, if I'm not pronouncing them right, okay, in the comment box. So shipping depending on your location, shipping time is 3 to 7 business days. So there they have given almost all informations, and as I have already told you that there are the various payment methods: PayPal, Western Union, Western Network Point and MoneyGram, etc. So guys, this is there on their website you will find thousands of customer reviews. They are doing very well. Please, I am just sharing this unbiased review here with my study and my questions, my surveys and my reviews. So you can always help us to improve our reviews and our data by commenting in the comment section. And if you like this review and if it is helpful to you, do like this video, do subscribe us and do let us know how do you feel. And if you have any sort of experience with the same site, with the fashion, and if you are a fashionistas, do let us know how do you rate this site. Thank you so much. This is Legit. Enjoy your shopping. Have a good day.